Hi everyone, welcome back to Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet an easy heart-shaped earring pattern. This is very easy to make, and these adorable earrings are perfect for gifting or adding a sweet handmade touch to your outfit. Today in the tutorial, I'm going to be using a thicker kind of yarn along with the 4mm crochet hook just to show you the stitches clearly. We will start with a magic ring, so wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times by leaving a long tail like this. And then we will insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. And then we will chain 4. So yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the second chain. Like that we will continue 3 and 4. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop from the magic ring for 5 times. I will show you how to do that. So what we are going to do is just yarn over and insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through, and then we will pull up the loop up to here like this. And then we will keep the finger to secure, and again yarn over, insert the hook into the ring and pull up a loop. Again for the third time, keep the finger, yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring and pull up a loop. This is the fourth time, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop. Again for the last time we will yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull up the loop. Now you can see that we have 11 loops on our hook. And then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops carefully like this. Again yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Again yarn over and pull through 2. Again for the 4th time, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the 5th time, yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Again yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and we have 2 loops now, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we have completed 1/2 of the earring. This is what it looks like, and then we will turn the work like so. Now if you feel like the magic ring is too big, you can just pull this tail just a little to make the magic ring smaller. And then we will keep the tail like this for us to work along both the strands of yarn. And then create the second half of the earring. Now we are going to pull up loops, yarn over and pull up a loop through the magic ring for another 5 times. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through and pull up the loop. This is the second time, yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop. Again yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop. Again this is the last time, yarn over, insert the hook and pull up the loop. Now we have 11 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is what we have completed so far, and then chain 1, leave a little tail for sewing, and you can cut the yarn off. After that, what I'm going to do is just pull this tail tight to close the magic ring. Just make sure that the magic ring is closed properly by pulling it tight like this. Now we have completed the crochet part. And then we are going to use the yarn needle to hide both the tails. And cut the excess piece of yarn. Again, we will hide the other tail also. Just like this. Now here I have completed 2 more pieces by using a thinner material. You can see the difference of the size. So you can choose the material according to the size of the earring you want. And then we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. First I'm going to take one of the jump rings, open it up using the pliers, and then we will insert the jump ring into the place we want. And then I'm going to take the eye pin and slide it into the jump ring, and then secure the jump ring with the pliers. After that, I'm going to take my bead and slide it into the eye pin like this, and then I'm going to create another loop on the other side of the bead. Use the yarn cutter to cut the excess piece of wire, and then I'm going to use the round nose pliers to create the loop. Don't close the loop yet, and then we can just slide the hook ear wire also into the loop here, and then close the loop. With that, we have completed one of the earrings. We can just repeat the process and complete the second earring as well. There you have it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed making these cute heart-shaped earrings. Don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the notification bell so you will never miss a new tutorial. Happy crocheting and see you next time.